Hello guys, welcome to the new video of wFixing, and today we will be solving the problem Windows 10 is consuming too much data or 4G data that you don't want to do that. Okay, so if Windows 10 is consuming too much data, that's the 4G data, and you wanted to stop that, and you tried all techniques in vain. What suggestions you to help? So I will give solutions, not the suggestions, through the step by step manner. So you have to follow my all the steps here to solve this problem. Okay, so for the it's not a problem, just we have to protect your PC from consuming that much 4G data. Okay, so we will try to focus on the solution that your data will be minimized, means the data will be saved of your net. Okay, so first solution is, guys, if you wanted to use the small data, then you have to use a local account, that Microsoft account, that where you can see that I will click on this. You can see here wFixing is my local account, you can see here. So you have to open the local account, just like default user 0. So for that I will show you where to change your Microsoft account. You can see here apps, features, privacy, devices, personalization, and wFixing local account. You can see here it's local account. So I will type here account, open that. You can change the account settings from here. You can create the new account here. Anything can you can do by your main account. Okay, so that was the first solution. It will consume less data. And second is in sync setting, disable everything. Okay, so I will type here sync, open, and then after what you have to do is you have to off everything. So in some Windows features are available on using Microsoft account. Okay, so if you are using your main account, it will not show me to here because I am using the local account. But if you are using local account, then just sync off, that is theme, password, language preferences, and other windows. You have to off this all. Okay, so that's the second solution. Then third is in settings, what you have to do is privacy, turn off everything is except turn off everything except camera, microphone, task, reduce, other devices. Okay, so I will go in settings first. For that you can see here the settings, wFixing settings. Then we have to go in privacy. Here you can see here the privacy option. Then turn off everything except camera, microphone, task, reduce, other devices. In feedback tab, select basic data, then turn off tolerated experiences, set frequency to never. So I have already disabled. Okay, change privacy settings, show me suggested content settings, apps, and etc. all is disabled. Speech, and then go to the speech, you can disable these. Then link, personalization, typing, disable these. Diagnostic feedback, disable these, and also these. Okay, but don't disable these camera, location, and microphone, and voice activation, and notifications. Okay, so this can also protect you by consuming data. Okay, from consuming data. So the sixth solution is click on startup. Fifth solution is click on start, type services, and disable these things. What things I will tell you. So first option is type services. Here you can see here the services tab app. Just open that services app, and then you can see here the disable these things. What disable these things? Delivery optimization and Windows Update. So we have to disable those. So where we have to see is delivery optimization. Delivery optimization is we have to find here the delivery optimizations and just click on that. Okay, so I will right click on that and disable it. You can see here you can see here the delivery optimization, all tasks, stop, pause, resume, restart. Okay, go to properties, log on, general. Then you can see here there is no option to, because I am using my local PC to record this video, so it will not show here, to disable. Then after, go to Windows Update here. At the last you will see the Windows Update option, so right click on that, and also you have to disable it. Okay, disable means you have to stop that Windows updates. It's showing me it's not running here because I am using the local PC. Then just cut this off, cut this window. Then you have to, what we have to do is our next solution. Okay, so 60 is finally, after all these you can accept 40 to 50 MB data upload maximum. And remember, Windows 10 it is made as much to upload some data. Anyhow, between those metered connection, things don't work as accepted because they get disabled after some time. Okay, or after you update the Windows. So hope it helps you guys. Thanks for this video, watching this video. Thank you.